Hey guys, I'm aka Roxy and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm working with HarinBeauty for this video, and they were nice enough to send me two 28-inch bundles and a 26-inch bundle. Look at these links. So for today's video, I'm going to be working with jewels. I'm going to be pimping out my edges, and I got these cute little gold studs from Amazon that we're going to be using for today's tutorial. So real quick, I have to do a little hair length check. This is how my hair is looking right now. And now I'm going to be brushing out my hair into a ponytail. So for today's video, I'm going to be pretty much doing a high ponytail with these bundles. I'm going to be using the two bundles of 28 inches because who doesn't want extra inches? Come on now. So I'm going to be doing a cute high ponytail with these two very luscious bundles. And then I'm going to be pimping out my edges with these gold little studs. You know what I'm saying? So just lay back, enjoy, and watch the pimped out edges because that's the new thing. And y'all gonna like it. I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone. I am sad and so missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. From the start, and you did right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. With all your missing someone. Missing someone. I am sad and so down. Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. missing someone. No more, no more. I am sad and so low. Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you miss her. And you deserve. And you deserve. And you deserve. And you did right from the start. And you did right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
So putting each of the gems on the baby hairs took a little time, but I'm not gonna lie, it was actually pretty satisfying. Like locating them all in a precise way and kind of making it really creative. I actually really do suggest it. One thing I will change or would change for the next time is to add the studs as soon as I finish doing my baby hairs, because then it has that gel and it helps stick it better. I noticed that the Got To Be glue helped lay the edges, like the studs, on perfectly fine with no problem, and it was super easy to remove afterwards. I didn't pull out any baby hairs or anything like that. It was so cute. I actually wanted to stay like that all day, but then I had other plans and other things that I had to do, like stay home, which was not fun. I wanted to show the world my creation, but things changed. But I definitely really suggest this, and I'm gonna be doing this a lot more often, because the whole pimped out baby hair, it just looks so incredibly beautiful, and it looked even crazier, and not crazy in a bad way, but crazy in a good way in person. And I hooked myself up. Like, I'm gonna start doing this from now on, and I really recommend you guys doing that. But yep, these are the final looks. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.